Unpacking. Yeah, it's messy. Fuck it.
It's the movement.
I'm Texas throwed, I'm moving slow. I am so cold.
RSSCG.
I'm in my zone.
Relentless, strong, striving, creative genius. The name speaks for itself. Founded by me and CP, who's now known as Swish, because he ballin' on you niggas. That's what he told me to tell you.
I'm in my zone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. The weed is blown. That codeine flow. That Texas strong.
It ain't stunning. This ain't no stunning. It's just trying to fucking survive.
Drugs have me in a place that I call up is all love, no hate. Bottles of Grey Day. Them bitches, they love that champagne, but nothing but bottles of rosé. The screw flow, my screw face, tipping and smoking the highway. This may not be the right way, just hoping to keep my eyes
You got
straight.
CP, aka Swish. You got RJ Baby. You got Castle. You got Red, Tony Red. And you got Mike Bills. And he sings. The message of the music is whatever we want it, flat out. You got some niggas that make music because they from different parts of avenues of life. And then, you know what I'm saying, you got other people that make different types of music because they're from other different parts, you know what I'm saying? But it all comes together because at the end of the day, it's still real.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe. The weed is blown. That codeine flow. That Texas throwed. I said